Customer brought in a 2013 Spyder FX19. Needed his wiring cleaned up, 2 new Talons, and the Garmin Kraken. We installed the Livescope for him with the additional mount. Ran all the wiring right through the shaft. Made for a very clean setup. Went with 2 single 12-volt lithiums. These are our house brands with a 5-year warranty. He's also got a DC to DC charger for on-the-fly use. He wanted some lighting, so we hooked him up with Lumitech full spectrum, so you can select whatever color he would like. These batteries do have Bluetooth, so you can see how much use they've gotten. We hooked up his Livescope to his very nice Garmin Display, as well as these 2 Talons. We gave him a dash mounted remote as well as a neck mounted via lanyard. These Garmin remotes are really nice. You can see the screen in full daylight. He's got 12 foot of depth with 2 Talons. And I have to say, for an 11-year-old boat, this boat is beautiful. Very well maintained, great condition. So it was quite a challenge getting this Garmin on here. We had to CNC cut out of 1/2 inch aluminum an offset plate to be able to mount it here. Otherwise we'd never get it off the rub rail enough to make it function. And we painted that with an Awlgrip finish after doing the fiberglass repairs of his old mounting holes. Check us out at Marine Custom Solutions for all your boating needs. I would say custom boating needs.